Hey guys, this is my attempt on making a screencast. I'm kind of just practicing because I'm going to make one for the students here in a little bit. But I also thought I'd show you guys what I'm doing in my D2L shell for online learning, so you can kind of steal some of my ideas and then let me know what you guys are doing so I can steal your ideas too. But this website is called Screencast-o-matic, really slick, really easy to use. I sent you the link with the other resources that Eric Salahub shared with me. So what I'm going to do is show you guys what I'm doing for this online learning stuff, and then let me know what you guys are doing so we can kind of get the best of everything. So I put agenda items in the in the announcements section. So right when they open up the D2L page, they're going to see an agenda. It's not posted yet. So I'll show you what the agenda looks like, and I'm making a separate agenda for every day. I don't know if that's the best way to do it, but that's what I've done so far, and that's what I'll show you. So for Monday, the first thing I want them to do is watch this screencast, which will be similar to what you're watching right now. And then it says grade your homework for chapters 76 and 79. Answer keys are attached, and so they can just grade their homework, and then they're going to send me a message with their grades, and then they'll know which ones they got right, which ones they got wrong, and then obviously they'll have some questions about that. So once they grade their homework, they're going to go to the activities, discussions, open discussion, and then post questions about the answers that they missed or anything that they thought was interesting or anything about the class in general. So to get there, in the FRCC page, you just go to activities, discussions, and then they're going to go to this open discussion, and that's where they're going to post any comments about the class, any comments about the homeworks, and that's where we're just going to discuss things. And I'm going to be there during class time and responding to their posts and answering questions, and I'm hoping that they answer questions for each other, so that, that's kind of a good way for them to learn. And I just have a description here. They need to post an open discussion once a day. 10 points of professional behavior and attendance will come out of this discussion. Next, they go to do an electude oxygen sensor module, and then they go to activities, assignments, videos with questions. So I'll show you where that is. Activities, assignments, and then if they scroll down, videos with questions, air fuel sensors versus oxygen sensors. So it's going to look different when it's posted. It's not actually posted right now. Okay, so they're going to watch this video, and then they're going to answer these questions. And they're just going to type them into the dialog box, and I'm just going to read them and grade them. And I have a spot in the gradebook for all these things. They're all worth about 10 points. Then they're going to go to activities, assignments, Rose Deeper Book Learning Questions, O2 Sensor Deeper Learning Questions. So then they're going to go to Rose Deeper Book Questions, O2 Sensor Deeper Book Questions. And they don't have to click this many times. This is just because I haven't posted it yet. What is open loop? What is closed loop? Voltage ranges. How does PCM use it? Why are wideband better, basically, and what's the difference between wideband and narrowband? So I'm going to have a lot of grading to do, but I'm just going to be doing it while they're typing it, hopefully, and just staying on top of it. We'll see how that goes. Then we go to GDI, do an electude module, another discussion, so I'll show you that. So after reading it, basically I want them to post one thing that they didn't understand, one thing they thought was interesting, and then respond to 2 other people's posts and try to help them with their understanding. And the last thing is to go to activities, discussions, open discussion, make comments, ask questions, discuss anything related to the course, same as you would in the classroom. So that's kind of like our ongoing discussion. And again, that one is activities, discussions, and then right in here. So that's a day's worth of work for them. Probably won't take 4 hours. And I think I'm going to add some stuff that John was asking about, like having them look at their own car and answer questions, take picture of your EGR valve. How does it, where does it attach to the intake? Where does it attach to the exhaust? More stuff like that. And then I figured out how to do WebEx through some of those tutorials, and I'm going to try and do some WebEx with the students to kind of answer questions in real time, maybe every Wednesday or something like that. But basically right now I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday pretty much lined out kind of like this. I'm not sure 100% what I'm going to do Friday. I know they're going to have a bunch of tests to take. I'm going to let the tests be open book, of course. Well, I mean, I'm going to even tell them they can do that. And then, yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm doing. Give me your thoughts, anything I should change, and let me know kind of what you guys are doing, and we can all do, hopefully the best thing we can do with no labs. Alright, well, let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. See if I can figure out how to turn this thing off.